one of your biggest goals should be to make people stop and think. You can do this 3 different ways. First of all, tweak your headline so you're not giving away too much information. Just a little bit of it, you're making them think, I think I know the answer, but they want to click into it, so they have to learn the answer by reading what you wrote. The second way to do it is to make them think about their own life. Set the scenario where they're thinking, my life could be so much better if I only had this product or service. Alternatively, my life is so much worse without this product or service. The third way to do this is to weave some of these things into your story so that over time you're giving more and more information. So you have this blog post, say, you give a little bit of information here, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. So they're constantly thinking, what's coming next? What's coming next? By the time they get all the details, they're at the end and they're at the point where they need to make a decision to click the Buy Now button or sign up for your newsletter.